take care of him. Okay.
Sam! Go, 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 go!
开！我答应了儿子不杀你。
你跑不掉，马上把别人交给我。
And you, cops are around. There's no way out.
You set me up. This wasn't about saving your brother. You wanted me. You're still a cop. I bet Gene is still alive, right?
It's over. Just drop your weapon.
No.
儿子，把电脑给我。
Sam, the formula of the chip is inside. Help me to deal with him. The laptop will be yours. Okay. We both take a step back. Stop him and stay here. To kill each other or not, you two deal with it.
站住！警察，转过来。汪志斌，走，快走！
爸，你说过不会杀人的。
他只是晕了吗？警察快来了，快走！
老爸，
臭小子，别告诉我你想投降啊！
我们跑不掉的。
你傻！刚才什么特工，什么雇佣兵，什么飞虎队，我昨天连不也一样能跑了？你跟着我才是最安全的。走！
我不想像以前那样鬼鬼祟祟的躲一辈子。你呢？你已经躲了20年了。我不是想教训你啊，但是那些特工不会放过我的。你能救得了我几次啊？
所以我才叫你开枪保护自己啊！
别跑！
开枪！
不要！不要！不要！
你是捉天来的儿子，不
要！
了！
不要杀人！别跑！
啊！干掉他！住！ 阿唐，撑住！阿唐，这救护车！阿唐，
I will not let you get away with the chip.
Go away, Eddie. Or I'll hurt you. Why, Eddie?
Look at you. You still think you are doing the right thing? Why are you putting everyone against you?
I know. I'm a traitor.
Why?
You don't need to know.
But I know you. You must have a reason.
It's too late, Eddie. Guns pointed at each other. It's too late.
Nothing's too late. Just let me help you.
Is this justice? Never thought being loyal to my country would make me lose everything. I've got no choice. I did everything to keep my family safe.
Sam! Sam! Are you okay?
Stop, Lev. Was it the first? I won't be the last. Stop, Eddie. Promise me.
You have my word.